back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. I know I am super excited because, as you can see from the description below, today we are unboxing the April 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And I just love this bag, or this box. You receive 3 designer handbags. They can be used or they can be brand new. I've received brand new ones quite a few times, and we are talking name brand, Dooney and Burke, Michael Kors, Coach, Ralph Lauren, Anne Klein, you name it, and we've received it. It is amazing. Now, again, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do have a coupon code SNMOM that will save you $5 off your first month. This does start at $45 a month. If you choose to go ahead and prepay for 3 or 6 months, you can lower the price of your monthly cost. So that is an option as well. But let's get to unboxing. Now the box is rather large, so I do have it sitting down here next to me. I did go ahead and just cut it with my box cutter so that it would be easier to get into, and we could get into the bags. So, and okay, so this is super cute. I love that she does this, the curator of this box. This is always so much fun. She always includes a gift bag, which I think is so cute because she says if one of the items is not really your taste, you can gift a bag. So I enjoy getting the gift bags. It's super fun. And they're always so pretty. That's so cute for April, spring colors. So then we always get a sheet here telling us about our items. And it says, I've also included a gift bag just in case you decide to gift a bag to a friend or family member. I hope you enjoy your box, and I can't wait for you to see the hand-picked gems in your May box. So awesome. I do want to let you guys know too, I think this is super fantastic. She did let me know that she now does have a way where you can go in and you can set preferences. Now, it is not a guarantee that it will be every month you receive everything based on your preferences, but when she can, she will try to accommodate your preferences. So I think that is super awesome and very nice of her to do and give that option. So yay for that. But let's get into our April thrift bag. First thing I see on top is super colorful. And one thing I do love too is she always wraps everything in bubble wrap to ensure it arrives safely, and I just appreciate that very much. Oh, this is pretty. This is like so pretty. Okay, so this is from Ink International Concepts, and this is from Macy's. And this is brand new. Still has the tag on it. Some nice leather straps. So this is like huge. This is like the perfect bag, in my opinion, for like the beach, you know, or going to the park and you need to tote some things. This is absolutely beautiful. So perfect for spring and summer. I love this, and it does have like a little magnetic closure. And obviously this is brand new. It still has the tags on it. So yay. Oh, I love those colors. Okay. So this is, yes, Ink International Concepts Large Multicolor Beach Tote. So beautiful and just fun. And like I said, I love that it does have leather handles, leather straps. So yes, I will totally be using this at the beach or just to tote things around anytime we need extra stuff this summer, because it's gorgeous. And if I didn't show you, I showed you the clasp, but I didn't show you inside. It is this really nice pink, bright pink with a little zipper pouch there. And then on this side, there are a couple pockets. So that is great as well. I think this is super gorgeous. And brand new. Yay! All right. And then we have something that looks super, super colorful and pretty. Oh, this is from Fossil. Okay, so this is like a crossbody. This is fun. So this is what it looks like. That pattern is amazing. Like, and so pretty. And then the back side, or that may have been the back, this may be the front, I'm not sure. It's the two little things here, and like a little pocket, and then the zipper. You open and you can see. And then the purse itself is a zipper as well. And it does have a zipper pouch inside. So this is awesome. I do love that it has like the leather accent, but it is definitely a crossbody purse. But I think it is so stinking gorgeous. And you can see, because this is a pre-owned, but you can't tell. You can't tell at all. That is so pretty and fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Fossil Vintage Floral Canvas Crossbody Bag. I love this. I think this is like so much fun and just so gorgeous. And I love when bags have like a multitude of pockets that you can stick stuff in. So you've got the one here, this zipper one, this here, and then you have inside, and then the zipper inside as well. So yay, gorgeous. Gosh, these are so fun and beautiful. So we have one more. Wow. And it looks like another huge bag. Oh, how do I open it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is gorgeous. And it is brand new. Ralph Lauren. Still has the tag. This beautiful, like... My lighting is making it look a little brighter. It's like a burgundy. There we go. You gotta see better here. That is so gorgeous. Obviously, we have all of the tissue paper inside. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got two pockets and a zipper inside. The zipper's here, and then we have two pockets over here. This is so gorgeous. It has the like metal feet on the bottom. Y'all, do y'all see this bag? This is so beautiful. Ralph Lauren Chadwick Merlot Hobo Crossbody Bag. Oh. So it has the clip, so you could carry it just like this, or you can adjust this and make it a crossbody, which is awesome. I think this is so gorgeous. And this color, oh, and it's brand new. It still has the tag on it, y'all. Like, $138 was what this bag originally cost. And it's brand new. So beautiful. I definitely think I personally would probably take these off and carry it like this. Like the hobo, boho, whatever you want to call it. But this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. This is beautiful. I love this subscription, you guys. Like I said, we'll make sure to put a link down below for y'all that will get you to the site so you could sign up if you would like to. And again, I do have a coupon code SNMOM that will get you $5 off your first month. You can't beat it when you get 3 designer handbags. 2 of my 3 were brand new. Starting, you know, $45 a month, and your first month you get for $40. Mother's Day is coming up. Hello, great gift idea. You could get yourself 2 bags and give one to mom, you know, or give mom the entire box as a Mother's Day gift. I think that would be fantastic. Y'all, I just love this bag. I think it is so gorgeous, and it's definitely, as a mom, I need a big bag. So the gorgeous Ralph Lauren bag, brand new. This super beautiful, colorful, fun fossil crossbody. Love it. And then this beautiful Macy's ink International Concepts. Gorgeous, brand new, colorful beach tote. Again, huge. And as a mom going to the beach, yes, I need a huge tote. So I am loving this yet again. Thrift-A-Bag has blown it out of the park. I think I say that every month because every month that is the case. So I'm super excited. Let me know down below what you guys thought. And if you have not already, please do hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. I do have the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Yay! And do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It really does help me out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.